have you ever left your home, like having a fight with your family, like father, mother? So I just had left my home. I had a small fight with my father. So sorry, my name is Akshay. I'm from Kochi. So I'm a BA honors graduate. Like I graduated back in 2016. Then after I went to Delhi for my civil services preparation. I was there like for 3.5 years. It was fun. I mean, it was really fun in Delhi. So then after that, I went back. I came back to my home because my father fell sick. So I was actually running my father's business, but some issues came up and I had to fight with my papa, and I made some decision to go out from there. So currently I am at Trivandrum. Uh, Actually, this is not my home. This is a hostel. This is actually a two-storied building. 12 students can stay here. 12 persons can stay here. Currently, there are only 4 people here. So actually, right now in India, this Zika cases are there. Zika, it is coming from some kind of mosquitoes. I have bought some mosquito nets. So there are a lot of mosquitoes here. Mm, so uh, actually, that fight took place like 2 weeks before. It was just a small issue. I mean, I talked to him after that. Even I went to home after that, and after that I returned to Trivandrum again. So there are no basic issues with my father currently. But I thought of, I mean, immediately after my graduation, I went for civil services, and I couldn't qualify for the exam, and my career was like I couldn't get any job. I mean, you mean what I say? So I was just running my father's business, so which I actually didn't like. I mean, I didn't like it, but it was kind of okay. I was doing it. Mm, uh, you might seem stupid. I mean, I started this YouTube channel like 2 months before, and I have only 28 subscribers. So even though it's not for sharing my current situation to all of you and making you very bad thinking about me, it's not for that. I mean, I'm totally okay. So I thought I should do something. I mean, uh, my pressure and my mentality might go in a good way. I mean, if I do something like this, so that's why I'm sharing this. That's why I'm taking this video. Uh, so I thought, I mean, I think this was a very good thing. I mean, I don't know how many of you who are watching this, you have gone through this situation. I mean, uh, anyhow, my situation is this. I mean, I was totally dependent on my father. I mean, for my all expenses, for my actually I was working also. I mean, I was having so many responsibilities in my business, but I was totally dependent on me. I was not able to earn on my own. So anyhow, I think even my father think that fight which I had with my father, it was for good. I mean, so that I could start thinking of my own, like what should I do, should I do for a living, as a career. So currently I'm thinking of doing what I like. So I'm thinking a lot. So even though my father had told that you don't need to do any work, I mean, basically I told them that I'm going to prepare for civil services again. So Trivandrum is like a hub for civil services in Kerala, like Delhi is for any person in India. Delhi is kind of a hub, right? Karol Bagh and Mukherjee Nagar. I was in Karol Bagh like for 7 months. Before that, 3 years I was in Rohini Sector 18. So I have told them I am going to prepare for the civil services, but I have not decided it. I mean, doing civil services was also my father's interest. Uh, so currently, my father had told you don't need to do any work and all. You look after your studies and qualify this exam as soon as possible. But no, I am not going to do that. But I have made some decisions. I mean, I don't know how it is going to happen. I mean, whether it will go good way. But I'm not going to be dependent again. I mean, if I start being dependent again, I will. I mean, I wouldn't be. that much competitive, or I wouldn't be hardworking. So this is what I have thought. I have been in Trivandrum for the last 2 weeks, and I have attended so many interviews, man. And it was like it was all failure. I mean, I currently understood what my value is. I mean, I have one BA honors, and even I had a great coaching in Delhi, and I have so many information. I mean, I could say I'm kind of little knowledgeable person, but all the interviews I have attended, when I told them I had prepared for civil services and I'm thinking to prepare for it again, so they were all in a view. I mean, oh man, oh, I mean, it was like, oh, you are great. I mean, बहुत बढ़िया बात है. Uh, but they're not offering me any job because I'm not having any skill which they are looking for. Current, literally, I have attended like 6 to 7 interviews already, and I have not got a job till now. So I thought of taking a video of talking me like this. Maybe it will feel like very stupid to many of you, but I'm feeling too much good. I mean, I'm feeling really good after talking like this. I mean, even I'm not talking to. I've already talked with so many friends, and it feels really good. But I thought I should do something like this too. Maybe I will take some videos. I mean, I'm at Trivandrum, and there are many places which you might would like to see. I mean, Kovalam beach is there, Sri Padmanabha Swami temple is there. Maybe someday I will go there and make a vlog, travel vlog there. So basically, actually, what I evaluate what I have done is have done some stupid thing. I mean, it was a mistake to go out from my family. If any of you have thought of leaving your family, I mean, it's a mistake. I mean, you are doing a mistake. I did that because of my short temper. I mean, no child should do like that because your parents had uh, made you to this level. I mean, they have so many expectations of you. So I mean, they had made so many sacrifices for you. I mean, to make you grow, to make you into a good position. So if we do something like that, I mean, uh, they will be they will be very sad. So that's why I came. I mean, many of my friends told me the same thing, that I should go back to them immediately. So that's why I went back, and everything is quite good now. The difference is that, I mean, I will start to be independent. I mean, I think that's for good. I mean, so uh, I was just thinking, I'm 26 years old, and I was thinking if whether any of you who have seen this have faced any kind of this experiences in your life. I mean, thinking that you had good. I mean, a lot of my friends who might be seeing this, they would be the civil services aspirants. So I just want to know, I mean, have you faced any kind of this situation like this? I mean, you had studied a lot of things, but you are currently not in a good position. You're not earning so well. So, have you thought so? I mean, uh, anyhow, have thought so. So I'm going to start working, maybe from very little. Anyhow, I will come with my second video. Even if it's not that good, I mean, I will come up with my second video when I will get some job. I mean, I pray that actually I'm not a person who believes that much in God and all, but still that came out of my mouth automatically. So let's see, that happens very soon, and I will tell you about it when I see you in the next video. Okay, bye, goodbye.